So I saw a TikTok the other day that if you get valet parking at Air One, which is like the fanciest grocery store in California, the valet driver sometimes will leave you snacks or drinks in your car when you come back. So I'm headed there now to see if it's true or not. Air One. All right, here we go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take inside the car.
Yep.
I got you take it again for your car.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome. You got it ready?
Thank you. It was all a lie. TikTok got me. You do not get snacks or free drinks at Air One Valet, or maybe just I didn't on this one time, but I feel like an idiot because I tipped him very well. Ugh.